let's talk about how you can use the favicon as your bookmark. When you look at your bookmarks bar and you've bookmarked something, you notice that there's an icon and some words. Did you know that icon is actually called a favicon? It's true, and you'll see the favicon in the top left corner of your tab. So if you were to bookmark this particular Google slide, it's going to show the name as well as the favicon for that Google slide. Now that's not going to be of much help on a particular Google slide because all Google slides will have that favicon. But when you look at Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, and others, you notice that their icons are a lot more unique. Did you know that you can have just the favicon instead of the words? It's true. I found this from an 8th grade student of mine, and I just happened to look over her shoulder and notice that she didn't have words next to one of the Google tools that we use on a regular basis, and I was blown away. I literally stopped class and had her show everybody. It is crazy simple. This is how you do it. So right click or 2-finger click or something that you know how to get the menu to pop up, and then you're going to edit this bookmark. And all you have to do is simply delete the words that show up in name. Click save, and voila, it's just the icon. I don't need that to say Google Calendar to tell me that that's what Google Calendar is. Likewise for Drive, right click, edit, delete, save. Right click, edit, delete, save. It really is that simple. And look how much less space those three take up. It gives me a whole lot more space for other more important or bookmarks that I just can't use only the favicon on. Now, if it's a brand new bookmark that you're going to do and you click on the star, say add bookmark, all you'd have to do here is just delete the words right here. I'm not going to do that because this Google slide isn't going to be of much help because there's so many Google slides. So I would just leave that one with the title and say done. This helps greatly in making my extra bookmarks over here a lot shorter. I really hope that this is a tech tip that you can do and use.